Hey gang, this is Dave from House Pro. Today we're going to be changing out a wall switch that goes to a garbage disposal. The garbage disposal would intermittently cut off and go and come back on. We figured out it was just a switch that had gone bad. I've already taken the cover off and the screws and got the switch taken out of the wall, which is right here. As you can see, you have two wires going to it, and you got a brown wire at the top. The circuit is being already cut off from the panel box. So my intentions is to replace the switch, which would be the hot wire, which they have jumping from this other wall switch down to the bottom, and then the hot wire going up to which would be the wire that goes underneath to the garbage disposal. And we have a ground wire on this side. And what we need to do is take the wires off and install our new 15 amp wall switch. So I'm going to go ahead and start unwiring it, and you can see the process what we go through to change out a basic wall switch.